Meet Apperant, the AI-powered post-contract intelligence and document extraction platform built to unlock insight from every document. Contracts, pay slips, permits, and invoices often hide critical data inside static PDFs, scanned forms, and legacy records, making manual reviews slow and error-prone. Apperant changes that by using advanced AI to extract clauses, terms, and structured data from contracts and other unstructured documents. Legal and HR teams automate extraction of dates, durations, and payment details from timesheets and pay stubs to streamline case preparation. Finance and operations teams process invoices and purchase orders with ease, capturing parts, labor hours, and service costs. Auto service networks and manufacturers digitize handwritten repair orders and delivery receipts, extracting job codes and service descriptions. Public agencies and nonprofits extract and track information from grant agreements, permits, and licenses to maintain audit readiness. In healthcare, Apperant accelerates claim and reimbursement cycles by extracting diagnosis data, treatment codes, and billing details from patient records. Beyond extraction, Apperant delivers analytics, dashboards, and real-time alerts, turning unstructured documents into insights that track SLAs and monitor obligations. By reducing audit and review cycles by up to 70% and extracting data from 5 to 100+ page documents in minutes, Apperant integrates seamlessly with Microsoft tools. From contracts to pay stubs, repair orders to grant documents, Apperant extracts what matters when it matters. Book a free demo or upload your own files for a proof of concept today. From signed to secured. Contact iBridge today to schedule your very own personalized product demo and unlock the incredible power of AI-driven document intelligence for your business.